Haba umla jubab shu minister bare pet ya kanika kam uda sakyat lamare halor ki jingkli jung MLA ka nongpo umir bonds aim badru BJP MLA ka pentor kra uba hek Menteri rang ba ka jela ukanat ke sangma uhaban ai ka jubab baya ka Surok Rel nado Assam sabernihat watla kia kendu shibun ki jing kalayat bet kumba kalong ha mendi pathar kadan ka jing check ya kinong rel Kadan ruka survey na bernihat syadu Shillong, bat kani ka survey kelapoi mentah hadu lailan, henrei lahap ban sangi eno shwa na marbadon bun kijing Kumta goyal ulas ngap ka jingker pa jangka sorkar, bat mentah kila pensangi hadu baki beriau bat kajela kan hun, bat pediang ya kajing dan ka Surok Rel. Tang ada ki pa ba bat baro kin pediang, enshnai ka Surok.
Honorable Speaker, sir, we know that railway line is very important. It is like a lifeline for the economy of our country. At the same time, we cannot deny the fact that even in our state also, after proper mechanism to take care for regular influx of immigrant can be in place, it is important that we should have. Keeping in mind the sensitivity of this issue, keeping in mind the issue that we have to take on board the indigenous people of our state, I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, or maybe the Honorable Chief Minister, that what is the mind of the government, whether to go ahead with the railway line within the state or to stop it totally.
Yes, sir, I do agree it's a very important subject in general in regards of the economy of the state and overall, sir. As for now, sir, we have a lot of pressure from the government of India, central government, to move it forward. But as we all know, there are many opposition from the NGOs, from the locals. In fact, there's also a case pending on this. So, yes, sir, because of the pressure and because of the need of it for the economy of the state, we are planning to move ahead with it, sir, forward. But at the same time, we have to consider all the matters of the opposition. We have to discuss on it, we have to listen to them, and we have to make sure that even if we move forward, we have to consider and take them on board, everybody who's involved in this. After that, sir, we'll move forward. Without that, we will make sure that whatever we can, we will try and take them on board.
Thank you for that very elaborate and very clear reply that the state government will go ahead with the railway line within the state. Now, sir, keeping in mind, as I have said in my opening remark, the sensitivity of this issue, it is important for the economy of the state, for be it a goods train or a passenger carrying train. Sir, with regard to this, I would like to know from the Honorable Minister whether the state government has asked or proposed for the construction of railway line in Khasi and Jaintia Hills region. If yes, kindly mention in which area or location the railway line is proposed to be constructed, and to specify whether it is for a goods carrying train or for passenger train.
No, sir, there is no proposal, sir. As per my records, the only matter that we have is Bernihat to Shillong, sir.